When I tell you guys that QEI is the real goat of lightening body lotion, this is what I mean. A subscriber reached out to me telling me that she has been using this product for 20 years, clock it, and she discovered it stopped working for her. I asked her a few questions which she responded, and I could already tell the reason why the product stopped working. So here is it. So I'm currently on my way out to go make a delivery to someone who bought this product from me, and I thought to actually share something on here that I have discovered a lot of people are suffering from but do not know, or maybe are living in denial. This lady reached out to me, or this woman reached out to me and said she needs this product. She said she has been using the QEI brand for like 20 years now, but she wants to try this one out. Now, first of all, 20 years is such a long time for someone to be stuck to a particular brand. Now, that alone should tell you that this brand delivers really well. The Oriental one is the one that comes with the argan oil, which helps to moisturize and also lighten up the skin, but it does not lighten as much as this, so I recommended that she goes for this one. Now, one thing you guys have to note is that as their products varies or their lotion varies, so also are their prices. For example, this is selling for 38,500 and this serum is selling for 26 to 24, 25,000. This, as you can see, this is 25,000 naira. Now, it is not cheap, I understand, but it is definitely worth it. This product alone can last you for like 3-4 months depending on how you consume product. Now, the reason for this video is because she complained that at some point it stopped working, and now let me tell you how you can get your product start working again if you feel they have stopped working. Now, there are a few reasons why your lightening product will suddenly stop lightening your skin and makes you feel like you're going darker, and I'm going to list out 4. The third and fourth one will definitely shock you. I know a lot of people have heard of it but just chose to overlook it, but I'm still going to remind you here on this video. Now, the number one reason I am sure a lot of you are familiar with is exfoliation. If you have not been exfoliating your skin, that's enough reason for your skincare product to stop working, because I know a lot of people who do not use sponge, and if you are this kind of person that do not use sponge on your body when you're taking a shower and you don't even exfoliate your skin, how do you expect your skincare product to work effectively? You will end up with hyperpigmentation, blemishes, and uneven skin tone, which is why it is very important that you start exfoliating your skin at least twice a week. For starters, if you have not been exfoliating twice a week, then you can reduce. There was one question I asked her when she said the QEI product stopped working for her. I asked her, have you been exfoliating? She said she has exfoliant on her vanity. That's one thing. You can have all of these skincare products, but since you're not making use of them, you might not even have the result. Skin is more like an investment. You buy a land, you clear it, you fence it, you do a lot of things to make sure to make sure that the land is, I don't know if that's enough example, but yeah. So she said she has not been exfoliating her skin, and I thought that could be the reason why the product stopped working for you. Of course, we all know the importance of exfoliants. I don't need to dwell on it so much. We all know how important it is to exfoliate the skin. If you have not been exfoliating, consider exfoliation. The second question I asked her, have you tried using with the serum? She said before, but now no more. So I told her, you know what, if you're going to get the QEI Innovative Toning Milk, you're going to get the serum as well. It's going to help lighten your skin and also maintain your skin complexion. It's not going to make you dark. So that's the second reason. If you are using a lightening product and you feel it's no longer effective, consider using the full range, which comprises of the serum, body lotion, and soap. But soap, you can alternate it with any other brightening or lightening soap. That would really do. Now, the third reason your skincare products or lightening body lotions will no longer work for you is because of this. I know you don't know this, but truth is, skincare alone cannot do all there is for your skin. It gets to a point where they stop working, so you need to alternate with supplements. Brightening supplements can actually really help lighten your skin, can enable your skincare product work faster than it should. You want to consider supplements in your skincare routine or as part of your skincare routine. In another video, I'm going to be giving you guys lightening or brightening supplements combo that you can use to enable your skin go lighter. Now, the fourth reason why your skincare products are no longer effective is that you are exposed to sunlight almost all the time. One thing I want you guys to understand is that no matter how good a product is, or how effective a product is, let me even say, even if you're using Samira lightening body lotion that is cost about 300k, right? if you are using it and you go under the sun, or if you apply it and go under the sun, there are possibilities that you will go dark. So let's say you use a product that contains glutathione, azelaic acid, alpha arbutin acid, and you go under the sun. And if you use lightening body lotions, no matter how effective or no matter how good or how safe they are, and you use them and you're always going under the sun without sun protection, or without even trying to protect those areas that are likely exposed to sunlight, there's possibility that you will go dark. Now, all of these things I'm saying, I'm not just saying them, I'm saying them out of experience, and people who are placed under my recommendation, like people who came to me for consultation and I placed them under skincare products. I tell them these are the things you need to start doing differently if you want to start seeing results, and there's no two ways about it. So if you are using any lightening products, is not limited to QEI alone, any lightening product, you want to consider exfoliation. Number one, if you feel it's no longer effective, you want to consider exfoliating regularly. You want to consider incorporating it with a serum. You also want to consider staying away from the sun for some time, and you want to consider supplements. That way you're going to get an effective result, or you start seeing result within 14 days. That is how effective those routines are. So when you hear somebody telling you, I'm using a certain skincare product, and maybe it's the same thing you're using, and you feel they're lying to you, it is not lies. It's that they've been deliberate. Being deliberate about your skincare routine does not just mean you're religious about it. You use them morning, afternoon, and night. No, it is not about that. It is about doing other things that enables this skincare product to work effectively. There are some skincare products or skincare ingredients that are not supposed to be exposed to sunlight. So if you apply these skincare products and go under the sun, there are possibility or chances that your skin would go down. Because usually lightening products are meant to slow down or pause the production of melanin to enable your skin lighten up. If you use this product and go under the sun, it's going to regulate melanin production. My baby is crying. So you're using any of this product or any lightening product of choice. It could be Samira, it could be Snapchat, it could be maybe Faster White, Carrot Magic, Lumine. Any lightening product of choice that you've been using and you discovered it stopped working and is now making you dark, or you're not seeing any changes anymore, these are things you need to just put into consideration. And if you have all of these boxes checked and you're still not seeing results, that means you need a dermatologist to recommend you or place you on product that aligns with your skin concerns as well as your skin type. Okay, I hope you find this video really helpful and really insightful. And for the subscriber that ordered for this product, thank you very much, ma'am. May God bless and replenish your pocket for choosing to buy from us, even though you live in Lagos. So thank you very much. You guys, if you want to buy skincare products, please consider me your best plug. I sell original skincare product. There's nobody has bought from me and tell me, oh, I did not get the original. It might be slightly more expensive, but truth is I sell original skincare products. I know what I give out. I don't give out fake products, especially to my subscribers, because I know you guys will come back to get more. Or maybe even if you don't come back, at least I want a situation where you see my video up on your screen and you feel the need to watch, even if you're not buying from me. Okay, so thank you very much, you guys. I hope I see you guys in my next one pretty soon. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you've watched up until this point. I'll see you guys in my next one pretty soon. Bye.